Welcome to the complete 3D assembly animation of the Yanmar 4HLA diesel engine. Every major component will be identified, explained, and assembled step by step. The cylinder block is the main structural body of the engine. It supports the cylinders, crankshaft, coolant passages, and lubrication galleries. The cylinder block is the main steel crankshaft. Steel crankshaft converts the piston's reciprocating motion into smooth rotary power. Main bearings support the crankshaft and reduce friction for smooth engine operation. The connecting rod transfers combustion force from the piston directly to the crankshaft. The piston compresses air and receives combustion pressure to produce engine power. Piston rings seal compression, control engine oil, and transfer heat to the cylinder wall. The wrist pin connects the piston to the connecting rod while allowing smooth movement. The camshaft controls valve timing for efficient engine breathing. Timing gears synchronize crankshaft and camshaft rotation with perfect precision. The idler gear transfers rotation between the crankshaft and camshaft, maintaining precise engine timing. The valve lifter follows the camshaft lobe and transfers motion to open and close the engine valves with precise timing. The push rod transfers motion from the valve lifter to the rocker arm, ensuring accurate valve timing and efficient engine operation. The rocker arm transfers motion from the push rod to the engine valve, opening and closing the valve with precise timing for efficient engine performance. The intake valve opens at the correct time to allow fresh air into the cylinder. It then closes tightly to seal the combustion chamber, ensuring efficient engine performance. The exhaust valve opens to release burnt gases from the cylinder, ensuring efficient engine operation and preparing the engine for the next cycle. The valve spring returns the valve to its closed position after each opening, ensuring accurate valve timing and maintaining a tight seal for efficient engine operation. The valve guide precisely supports the valve stem, ensuring smooth movement, accurate alignment, proper lubrication, efficient heat transfer to the cylinder head for reliable engine performance. The cylinder head seals the top of the engine cylinder, houses the valves, injector, airflow, circulates coolant, and efficiently dissipates heat for reliable engine performance. The head gasket seals the cylinder head to the engine block, preventing compression, coolant, and engine oil leaks while ensuring reliable engine performance. The fuel filter removes dirt, rust, and water. These contaminants are trapped, protecting the fuel injection system. This ensures clean, efficient engine performance. The fuel feed pump draws fuel from the tank. It delivers it at low pressure to the fuel filter. This injection pump interaction ensures a steady fuel supply. It is key for reliable engine operation. The high-pressure fuel injection pump compresses diesel fuel to extremely high pressure and delivers it to the common rail, ensuring precise fuel injection and lower emissions. The high-pressure fuel injection pump compresses diesel fuel to extremely high pressure and delivers it to the common rail, ensuring precise fuel injection and lower emissions. Fuel injection pipes carry high-pressure fuel from the injection pump with precise timing, ensuring accurate fuel delivery, maximum engine performance, and reduced emissions. Fuel injector number 1 receives high-pressure fuel from the injection pump and atomizes it into a fine inside the combustion chamber, ensuring precise fuel delivery and lower emissions. Fuel injector number 2 precisely delivers high-pressure fuel into the combustion chamber. This produces a fine atomized spray for efficient combustion. Improved fuel injector number 3 delivers precisely atomized high-pressure fuel into the combustion chamber, ensuring efficient combustion, maximum power, and lower emissions. Fuel injector number 4 precisely delivers high-pressure fuel into the combustion chamber, producing efficient combustion, reliable engine performance, and reduced emissions. The fuel return line safely carries excess fuel from the injectors back to the fuel tank, maintaining stable fuel pressure, reducing heat buildup and ensuring efficient engine operation. The intake manifold distributes fresh air to each cylinder, balanced engine performance, improved fuel efficiency, and reliable power output. The exhaust manifold collects hot exhaust gases from each cylinder and channels them into a single outlet, efficiently directing the flow to the turbocharger or the exhaust system. The turbocharger uses exhaust gas energy to spin a turbine, driving a compressor that forces more air into the engine for greater power, efficiency, and performance. The air cleaner removes dust, dirt, and other contaminants from incoming air, ensuring that only clean air enters the engine for efficient combustion and longer engine life. The water pump continuously circulates coolant through the engine and radiator, preventing overheating while maintaining the engine's optimal operating temperature. The thermostat automatically regulates coolant flow, helping the Yanmar 4HLA engine warm up quickly and maintain its optimal operating temperature. This is the heat exchanger. It transfers heat from the engine coolant to seawater, keeping the engine at its optimum operating temperature without mixing. This is the oil pump of the marine diesel engine. Proper oil pressure reduces friction, minimizes wear, cools moving parts, and ensures reliable engine performance. The oil filter removes dirt, metal particles, and carbon deposits from the engine oil. Moving parts, reduces wear, and extends engine life. Replace the oil filter at every scheduled service. The oil cooler removes excess heat from engine oil, keeping it at the correct operating temperature. Hot engine oil flows through the coolant, absorbs its heat through separate internal passages. The oil pan is the reservoir at the bottom. It stores oil after it returns. The pump draws oil through the strainer. Gravity brings the oil back down. The gasket prevents any oil leaks. The flywheel stores rotational energy, stabilizes crankshaft speed, reduces engine vibration, and engages with the starter motor for reliable engine starting. The flywheel housing is a strong protective enclosure. It surrounds the flywheel, protecting it from damage. It maintains alignment between the engine, improves engine durability. Starter motor. When the ignition key is turned, the overrunning flywheel cranking the engine until disengages, protecting the starter motor from damage. Alternator. The alternator converts mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy. As the engine turns the pulley, the rotor spins inside the stator, generating alternating. The drive belt transfers power to engine accessories. Proper tension ensures charging and effective cooling. A worn or loose belt can reduce performance. Driven by innovation. The belt tensioner maintains correct tension on the engine drive belt, reducing vibration and extending belt life. The cooling fan is a vital component. It draws cool air through the radiator, helping remove heat from the coolant. Proper airflow prevents overheating. The water outlet provides the exit path. The thermostat inside controls coolant flow. When cold, the thermostat remains closed. It opens automatically, allowing circulation. The oil dipstick check is essential. Pull it out, wipe it, and reinsert it fully. This ensures proper engine lubrication. Regular inspection extends engine life. The oil filler cap provides access. It seals the engine. Remove the cap, add recommended engine oil. Oil flows through the cylinder head, helps maintain peak engine components. The engine mount securely supports the engine. It isolates vibration from the surrounding structure. Properly functioning mounts improve stability. This provides smoother. This is the wiring harness of the Yanmar 4HLA. It acts as the electrical nervous system. These are the engine sensors, the monitoring system of the Yanmar 4HLA diesel engine. Sensors continuously measure temperature and pressure. These are the engine control components, the electronic control center of the diesel engine. The engine control system is the brain of the engine. Sensors monitor speed, temperature, and pressure. This data is processed by the ECU and reliabilization. The front cover seals the front of the engine, protects the timing gear assembly, the front crankshaft oil seal, and helps maintain proper lubrication and engine reliability. The rear seal housing supports the rear crankshaft oil seal, prevents engine oil leaks, and provides a secure sealing surface between the engine block and the Watch the assembly of the Yanmar 4HLA. Components lock into their precise positions, from the crankshaft to the cylinder head, is the Yanmar 4HLA. Watch the Yanmar 4HLA. Activate the starter, turning the crankshaft. Air compresses before fuel is injected. Ignition generates the force. All systems now work together.
You have explored the Yanmar 4HLA. Every system delivers reliable performance. This provides the foundation for maintenance and engineering excellence. Thank you for watching Mechanical Vision. Your support helps us create more high-quality engineering content. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.